Okay, here's number 12. Step 1, even though we didn't need to do it in the last one that I showed you, we do need to make sure we get this 5 to the other side because we want it to equal 0. So to get rid of the 5 on the right, we have to subtract 5 from both sides. And in this equation, this 60 and this 5 are like terms, so we're actually going to subtract 5 from 60. So on the right, we have 5 minus 5, which gives us 0. And on the left, we have k squared plus 16k, and then 60 minus 5 is 55. So in this problem, it was different, but make sure you're only subtracting if they're like terms, which these are like terms in this problem. The next step, we need to write out what our A, B, and C are. Our A is 1, our B is 16, and our C is 55. Now we need to plug it into the equation. So we have negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. And again, just simplifying now, negative 16 plus or minus the square root of 16 squared, which is 256 if you do it in your calculator, and then 4 times 55 is 220, all divided by 2. So we have negative 16 plus or minus 256 minus 220 is 36 divided by 2. And this is nice because we know the square root of 36 is 6. So we have negative 16 plus or minus 6 divided by 2. And so our two roots that we get is negative 16 plus 6 divided by 2 and negative 16 minus 6 divided by 2. So if we simplify these, negative 16 plus 6 is negative 10 divided by 2, which gives us negative 5 as one of our roots. And negative 16 minus 6 is negative 22 divided by 2, which is negative 11. That's another one of our roots.